Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat notifications not working. So let's get into it. First of all, open Snapchat. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then tap the icon at the top right to open settings. Now tap on notifications and make sure the enable notifications option is turned on. This is where you can pick and choose all the things you wish to be notified about. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap the Manage Story Notifications option. Here you can search for all of your friends' names and add them to the list if you want to receive a notification every time they post a new story. Another way is to go to your phone settings and navigate to the notification section. Click on App Notifications. Then search for Snapchat and tap on it. Here, make sure the Allow Notifications toggle is turned on. And that's it. You will now start receiving notifications not only for messages, but also stories from your Snapchat friends. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.